How to order a Koho card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to order a Koho card. In order to do this procedure, make sure that the device is completely updated. And right on this page, first of all, you have to go ahead and type in koho.ca/v1. After that, you have to press on the login button and then log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, then you need to go ahead and select my card on the spend page, and you need to scroll down and select get a card, and then you can follow the prompts in order to get or set up a card. And once you've opted for a physical card, it should arrive within 10 days of the account verification. If you don't get your card, you can reach out to a customer support team and let them know about the issue. You can also get a virtual card upon signing up for Koho so that you can start spending right away, and open a Koho app and then select my card. There you'll find the virtual card. You can just go ahead and add it to your Apple, Samsung or Google Pay, or you can just use it online. That is how you can order Koho card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.